Chinese New Year is one of the world's biggest festivals, celebrated by around 1/6 of the global population. The largest festivities take place in China's major cities like Shanghai and Beijing. But there are parties wherever Chinese people live. So today, Chinese New Year is a truly global phenomenon. The start of this 15-day festival depends on the moon, but it's usually sometime between January the 21st and February the 19th. Its origins lie in the 14th century BCE, when the legendary Yellow Emperor Huangdi created the first Chinese calendar based on the movements of the moon. Although China has used the Western Gregorian calendar for over a century, it still celebrates the ancient Lunar New Year. Over the last 3,500 years, numerous traditions and customs have developed around the New Year. Many of these are still observed today, and at the heart of these celebrations is the family. In the lead-up to the festival, almost everybody tries to travel to the family home, no matter how far away they live. Here, several generations gather under one roof. They clean and decorate the house before they start preparing for the New Year's Eve meal. Food plays an important role in Chinese culture and is central to the New Year celebrations. In traditional Chinese style, families gather to share different dishes and to chat about the year that has passed. The food is often symbolic too. These jiaozi dumplings, for example, are an important part of any New Year's meal. Their crescent shape, which is reminiscent of the gold ingots once used in ancient China, represents the wealth and prosperity of the family. Steamed fish is also popular because the sound of its Chinese character, yu, is a homophone for the Chinese word for abundance, so it represents good fortune in the year ahead. Whole roasted chickens or ducks stand for the unity of the family. Noodles represent long life, and special desserts symbolize the sweetness of reunion. After the family meal, everybody stays up to observe Shousui, which loosely translates as keeping watch over the year. They talk and have fun, play games like mahjong, an old and very popular Chinese game, or just watch television. Most people watch China Central Television's New Year's Gala, which runs from 8 p.m. to midnight and is the most watched show on the planet, with an estimated 800 million viewers. Then, just as the clock strikes 12, everyone rushes out to watch the fireworks. Fireworks are an important part of Chinese culture. Gunpowder is said to have been invented here around 2,000 years ago, and today the country makes around 90% of the world's fireworks. Huge displays are now central to the New Year's celebrations, and almost everybody participates. Traditionally, they were lit in order to scare away a mythical beast that terrified rural communities. But today, most people come for the incredible spectacle, as millions take to the streets and fireworks light up the night sky. The following day, New Year's Day, is a time for reflection. Many families go to the local temple, where they observe a variety of ancient customs. They burn incense in memory of their ancestors, pray for good luck in the year ahead, and ring a small bell to ward off the evil spirits of the year gone by. Gift giving is also an important part of Chinese New Year, and again, luck is a central theme. People use red envelopes to exchange money with loved ones, especially children, and to give offerings to the temple. These gifts are called lucky money because, according to ancient Chinese tradition, red is the colour of good fortune. At over 3,500 years old, it is hardly surprising that Chinese New Year has changed a lot since it was first created. But wherever they are in the world, many Chinese people still observe the same ancient rituals, customs and traditions. People still wish for good luck and try to banish evil spirits. They stay up late to keep watch over the year. They light fireworks and give each other lucky gifts. But most importantly of all, they still reunite with their families to remember the past and look forward to the future.